parang kampo ang pulis doon sa lugar, and then pag sinabi natin lugar, is it outside of the gate of the KOJC compound or inside of the gate of the KOJC compound?
Correct, Mr. President. Both inside and outside of KOJC compound. Andoon po nakakampo ang ating mga kapulisan.
Nadidisrupt na daw po yung
meron bang human rights violation kung maraming pulis? I don't think so. There's no... Anyway, the reason we did this was so that we could maintain the peace. The only way to maintain
inside, so parang na pong parang expropriation na po yan.
We're talking about is political na yan. Hindi na totoo yan. You go to any human rights advocate, there's nothing that we did. Lahat ng pumasok na pulis, hindi armado. Walang baril, kahit isa. Wala kami.
Correct, Mr. President. So, tila nga, pakiramdam ng mga tao doon ay meron ng marsyalo na nangyayari doon sa Davao.
Wala namang
dahil nga, yung compound ay hindi na magamit ng mga may-ari.
A value system, and they think they have found it with Kibuloy. But they did not sign up to be in the front line of this kind of thing that's happening now, that they will protect him from arrest, even when he has cases filed against him, not only here in the Philippines, but also in the United States. So, I suppose I can understand.
Alam nyo, yan ang problema kasi sa inyo eh. Kaya yan, ayaw magpakita sa inyo. Kasi nga, hindi nyo binigyan siya ng pantay na pagtrato sa isang inaakusahan. Kaya ganyan yan. Para pareho ang ginawa ninyo kay Bantag, kay Teves, kay Pastor Kibuloy, and kay Alice Go. You tried them by publicity. You destroy their character. You diminish their reputation. You adjudge them guilty as hell without the benefit of the rights of the accused in a court.
Mga rightful owner of that compound hindi na magamit dahil binabawalan silang pumasok.
Pagkatapos, kung sino-sino biniblame nyo, kaya nung PNP chief, gustong i-demanda si Presidente Duterte dahil daw nagsabi na alam niya at sikreto. Kung may pagkakorning ka rin PNP chief, nagpapatawa lang yun, nagpapatawa. And even assuming na hindi nagpapatawa, he is not obligated under the law.
At kung sila ay nakapasok, gusto nila lumabas, hindi na sila makapasok uli. So, this is deprivation of private property, Mr. President.
Opo, so ganyan po. Kailan po kayo bumisita ron para at least malaman natin yung petsa ko, yung personal knowledge ninyo? Ano po yun?
I was there when the warrant was executed in the early morning.
Keso yung malaki, Blutinous, keso Jasmine, ilabas mo kasi gano'n naman talaga, di ba? Pag maraming supply, siyempre, bababa ang presyo.
Isang buwan lang.
Hindi naman. Kasi kung tatlong pa parang 40 na parang iniipit mo yung supply. Meron. Wala, nakita mo naman.
Saka sa 38 pesos daw ata kuha. Tama po ba? 38?
Yun ang sinasabi na nga. Pero yung sinabi natin, moderate na lang yung green kasi dinadaanan nila sa kwento na tumatas